Crab, a sea animal with a strong shell and 2 large claws. We caught some crabs during our beach vacation. Goose, a large bird that is often kept for its meat and feathers. The farmer raises chickens, ducks, and geese on his farm. Goat, a hardy domesticated animal related to sheep but having a beard and straight horns. The farmer has a herd of goats in his farm. Butterfly, a type of insect with large, often colorful wings. The butterfly lands gently on a nearly flower. Crocodile, a large reptile with a strong jaw, short legs, and a long tail. It lives near water in tropical regions. The crocodile slid silently into the water. Ant, a small insect that lives in a complex social colony with 1 or more breeding queens. The kid was fascinated watching the ants carry food back to their colony. Bat, a small animal that flies at night and feeds on insects. The cave was full of bats. Bee, an insect that can fly and makes honey. A bee stung me while I was in the garden. Bunny, a young rabbit. The little girl has a cute, fluffy bunny as a pet. Camel, a large animal with a long neck and 1 or 2 humps on its back, used in deserts for carrying goods and people. Caravans of camel were used to cross the desert. Chicken, a type of bird that people keep for its eggs and meat. We raise chickens on our farm. Dinosaur, a type of animal that lived long time ago, now extinct, often large and reptile-like. The Tyrannosaurus rex is a type of dinosaur. Dolphin, a type of large fish that known for its intelligence and friendly nature. We saw a group of dolphins leap out of the sea. Duck, a type of bird that lives near water and has a broad beak, short legs, and a large body. The park is full of ducks swimming in the pond. Frog, a small animal that has smooth skin, lives in water and land, and jumps high. The pond is full of frogs. Giraffe, a large African animal with a very long neck and high legs. We saw giraffes and lions on our safari trip. Gorilla, a large, powerful ape from Africa. The gorilla is one of the closest relatives to humans in the animal kingdom. Hen, a female bird, especially a domestic fowl. The hen laid an egg. Insect, a small creature with a hard cover around its body, 3 parts to its body and 6 legs. The butterfly is a beautiful type of insect. Kangaroo, a large marsupial from Australia that hops on hind legs. He saw a kangaroo hopping across the field. Kitten, a young cat. The kitten looked playfully at its mother. Leopard, a big cat with darker spots and is found in Africa and parts of Asia. The leopard is known for its ability to climb trees. Panda, a large animal from China that is black and white and eats mostly bamboo. The panda at the zoo busy munching on bamboo. Parrot, a bird that is known for its vibrant colors and ability to mimic human speech. She has a pet parrot who can say hello in 3 different languages. Penguin, a type of bird that cannot fly, lives in the cold regions like Antarctica and has a black and white body. The most popular penguins is the emperor penguin, famous for its waddle. Puppy, a young dog. The puppy wagged its tail when it saw its owner. Rat, a small animal with a long skinny tail that is often found in dirty places like sewers. I saw a rat running across the street last night. Sheep, a farm animal with a thick wool coat and, often, a curved horn. The shepherd is taking care of his sheep. Spider, a small creature with 8 legs often found in homes or outdoors. I saw a large spider crawling on the wall. Turtle, a reptile with a hard protective shell that lives in water or on land. We watched the turtle swim in the pond.